Boom! Oh yeah, I got the kills. Alright, got the kills to pay the bills. Alright, let's do this. Alright, go to the top. Alright, get the sniper. Boom! Shot him right in the face. Boom. In the face. Alright, go up there. I need one more kill. Just one more kill to win. Alright. Oh, that guy doesn't notice me. Go over there. Kaboom! Oh yeah, who is the man?
Alec, what you doing? Alec.
Just playing Call of Duty, being a pro at it.
You just died.
No, that was just a hacker.
Okay. Anyway, I got a Rubik Cube. Do you want to try it?
What is this?
It's called a Rubik's Cube. It's pretty much like a puzzle thingy.
Okay, I guess I could try this. Okay, Liv. You could go back upstairs. I think I'm gonna try this thing. What even is this? A Rubik's Cube. I never seen this one before in my life. Well, she did say it was a puzzle. Feels like plastic. Sounds like plastic. Tastes like plastic. And it's like a rainbow. Wait, I think I know how this works. It works. This thing could be evil, though. Like one time my sister gave me a water bottle, and it exploded. So I don't know. Or should I trust it? I don't know. I don't know if it's evil. This is a really weird situation. Ah! Wait, so it moves in its colors, and it's a puzzle. And what do puzzles do? I get it now. I know what it means. Let's do this.
Go away. Alex, you okay? Done. And by the way, it's lunchtime.